What's going on, guys? In today's video,
it's gonna be very, very fun! Guess what we're doing?
you probably guessed from the title, to be honest.
Yeah, so the title says it all. So basically, gonna be turning ridiculous objects into fidget spinners.
We're making a steak fidget spinner. You better keep watching this video, because at some point I can assure you there's gonna be a steak fidget spinner making an appearance. That's so disrespectful.
Yo, no, it is.
There's people that literally don't even have money for food, and we're making a steak fidget spinner.
We're so fucked, dude.
I'ma spill my shit.
Suck my dick, man! Shout out to Santander for being good. For being good.
A dead cat roadkill fidget spinner. What have I just created?
Why did you say that? Because you know that's gotta happen now. We need to go and find a dead badger in the countryside.
A dead badger fidget spinner. So guys, we're at Tesco's now.
We're gonna go pick up the goods.
So we've just got all our stuff from Tesco. We're now just drinking a McDonald's Coke.
Oh my god, it's salty.
McDonald's Coke bangs. We're now heading to B&Q.
Yeah. And then Smith's toy store to buy a roast chicken.
B&Q to get some epoxy resin, which is like a glue, but it's just really strong, and we're going to use that to hold together most of the things that we're going to be making into a fidget spinner today. If you want to see another fidget spinner video, then let's see if we can get this video to 1,000 likes. Somebody. Doesn't come back in the freebie.
Why his dad did it right, he didn't even do it, he did this. He went, but lifted his leg, right. Like that terrible pause here.
Why am I flicking the camera like that? Like I'm a world star hip hop producer.
Oh my god.
So with this baguette being so soft and there being no chance of this bearing actually staying in there, we'll basically glue the bearing into there, and we'll leave that one and we'll move on to the other stuff, and hopefully, let's pray that the baguette fidget spinner is a masterpiece.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, yeah. Why are the words baguette and fidget spinner in the same sentence? That's not allowed, bro.
Do you know how angry French people are going to be from this? Why am I standing like a mum when she's having a go at someone?
Boy, you asking for the manager?
I want to speak to a manager. Come here, you. Oi. I want to have a word with you. Come here. I want to speak to the manager. Hey.
Yo, if you haven't liked the video, I'm going to be angry at you. That's the bubble wrap from the last video.
Are you ready, guys? Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Three, two, one.
Actually, this should make your backflip a bit better, bro. 3, 2, 1.
All right, let's make a fidget spinner baguette. For God's sake. For best results, you have to lightly sand surfaces prior to bonding. Make sure to not get any on your mum. Now we're going to open it up a little bit, slot it in, push it flat. Okay, it's in there flat.
Is it?
Yeah. That's it there.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're going to leave that there. There's the baguette fidget spinner sorted. We're going to leave that now, and we're going to move on to the steak. Fidget spinner steak. I think I'm going to have this one. I would prefer it to be rare or medium rare.
You know, you get like rare, medium well, or like well done. Why don't we just do tarmac?
Yeah, good shout. I wonder what it's going to taste like, to be honest. We should probably season it.
Oh, I've got the perfect seasoning.
Have you?
Do you want me to go get some?
Yeah.
Alright, come with me.
I'ma spill my shit.
Should work well.
Are you joking?
Alright, that should be nearly done then.
Cheers for that, boss.
No worries, man.
Respect that.
Got you, bro. I got you. Bro, it's nearly done, man. Bro, is that Wiz Khalifa?
Yo, what's that? I've got granite in my pan. I've got a better idea.
Yeah. Let's just come back when it's cooked, okay?
Steak's looking a lot better now.
Right, let's just open the window. Oh. What is that, bro? Is that tarmac? Guys, that's genuinely a piece of steak. Oh my god! What, Ramel?
You ready for this?
Go for it. Oh my god.
I'ma spill
Oh my god, dude.
That is the perfect hole for a fidget spinner.
So let's put a bearing in there.
Putting a bearing.
We have to do it.
And now we're gonna fit the bearing in.
Why is it actually working? Why did that work?
Why have I got a fidget spinner steak?
I can't believe what I'm seeing, bro. You've made fidget spinners out of food.
Food fidget spinners.
What?
I never thought it was possible.
I don't know if I want to even touch this piece of shit, I'm not gonna lie. I'm intrigued by this piece of Why is that solid in there? It's actually solid.
What? Are you ready to test this? I'm excited. Here we go. Steak fidget spinner. 3, 2, 1. It actually spins.
I'ma spill my
Considering it's a bit of food, it actually does spin. Why am I reviewing this like it's a decent fidget spinner? It's a steak. Next up, this one's actually been fitted with an actual fidget spinner inside it, but will it work?
That looks like it's gonna spin.
1.
Okay.
This one is awful.
Oh yeah, you know I've got to get some of that ice in.
I swear you just ate a bit of resin.
Oh, I did. It's sour.
You know how poisonous that stuff is.
It's like acid. The bearings have like seized like my nose.
Literally, it's got pure icing in the bearing.
I'm sorry.
Alright, this is called the French fidget spinner. This one's a bit too big, so I'm going to test it like this, okay? Here we go, guys. The baguette test. 3, 2, 1.
Autism cured.
What's happening? What is he about to take off?
One more.
3, 2, 1. Are you ready for this donut fidget spinner to get absolutely destroyed?
3, 2, 1. Go.